Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a digital angle ruler, so should be pretty cool. So this is going to give us angles more than just uh, distance measurement. So I'll show you all what it looks like here. This is the device in here, and let's see, it's got a little plastic cover over the stuff. Did I get it? Okay. So it looks like if I do on and off, I don't know if it's going to need a battery or what. Let's see, it says warning, this product contains a button battery. Okay, so it does have a battery in there somewhere. So let's see what I need to do. Oh, haha, the battery came with it in a separate little one here. So let's see, how do we do the battery here? Tight, loose. So let's look up and see how to put this battery in. So here's the instructions here. It comes with everything you need. Oh, it's a single page of instructions. So there we go. So that's kind of nice to have a small set of instructions. So the battery is going to go right over there. So let's see, how do we open this little container? Push, push. Okay, I need to push over here on both sides of that to get it open. So I need something else. I need like two things. Like, I wish I had tweezers. I don't think I do. Oh, maybe I can just use some scissors here. They'll probably pull from both sides. Well, let me go figure that out. I'll be right back. Actually, it was easier than I thought. There was a little, oops, now it fell out. There was a little hole in the back there, so I would just push that back as I'm squeezing the side. So I just did one side at a time, and I was able to get it. But let's open up this little battery here, and I'll put that inside. So it's a CR2032, so pretty much all my stuff uses that, all my air tags and everything else. Okay, and then plus and minus, so I'm gonna guess plus goes there, minus goes there. This, and push it in, just slide it in, and then you can see there's that little button on the back, and here we go, there it's on. So let me see, 0. So if this is 0, then I can do this, and it's going to give me my angle. Can you see that? So if I was to do a, what is that, a 90-degree angle? Well, I'm at 88.8, so I can make it exactly 90 right there. So now we have a 90-degree angle. That's really cool. So if you're doing something, drawing on a table or something like that, you can get a really precise angle with this. So very nice little device. So this should be 180. 178, 179. Oh, so close. It's so hard to get it perfect because it is super precise. But that is a really cool little device. And it's got a little hole in it there so you can kind of hang it up if you need to. And, or you could nail it into something and nail it into something there. And it's got just a regular ruler on it as well that does, looks like it's got inches. And, oh, actually it's got inches that'll go, yep, to 7, 0 to 7. So I would probably use this side here, so you can go from here all the way to 7, and then you've got the centimeters on the other side or whatever. So pretty cool. I like it. Thumbs up.